Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video. So I got some new lashes that was gifted to me, and I just wanted to make a little video on how I put them on. And these are by Meta lashes. They're all the same style lash, but I got 8 pairs or 10 I think. But anyway, I love how dramatic these are, and they're very easy to apply, and the band is really flexible. So here we go. So what happened was, when I was doing my second lash, I had just put the glue on, and then my husband came to give me a kiss goodbye for work, and it already dried, so I had to like take it off and apply some more glue so it stick. That's why you see me struggling right here. But anyway, you guys should definitely check these people out. I will link their information in my bio, because these lashes, I really love them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.